Hi, I'm Alison O'Connor with Larimer County Extension, and maybe you're wondering, should I use organic or synthetic fertilizer on my lawn? Well, a lot of it comes down to your personal preferences, but let's talk a little bit about the two types. If your lawn gets a lot of traffic from kids or pets, or you just want some quick greening, then something synthetic is probably a good choice for you. If you're looking for nutrients that release more slowly over time and give you a longer, sustained nitrogen boost, then something organic would be a good choice. Now, here's the thing, your lawn doesn't know the difference, and so use whatever product you feel most comfortable with. I like to compare organic fertilizers more to oatmeal, long sustained energy, and the synthetics with quick release nitrogen are more like fruity pebbles, lots of energy up front and not as much on the tail end.